Hi guys, laughter's like good medicine. I got a great funny movie to recommend to you that's free on YouTube. It's called Give Me a Sailor, 1938. Um, it was done and it has Bob Hope in it, which you know if you like are a Bob Hope fan like I am, that it's just silly crazy. It's a real fun movie. It's kind of like a hidden gem, a movie that I think a lot of people haven't heard of. So basically, we have two brothers and two sisters that are not related, and the one brother and sister are trying to mess up the romance for the other brother and sister, the other couple, so to speak, because they like them, and it's just crazy fun. And I think you'll really love it. So if you're looking for a good comedy movie, check it out and then come back here and let me know what your thoughts are. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.